discuss a upset or prediction about Pakistan e-commerce market, which was, that prediction was made in 2015. Regarding the prediction of Pakistan e-commerce, what would be the number Pakistan e-commerce is going to achieve by 2020? Any one of you guess that number? What was the magical number? $1 billion. Industry predicted Pakistan e-commerce would achieve $1 billion by 2020. That was the prediction about Pakistan e-commerce market. And very much like football FIFA World Cup, this prediction has already gone wrong. So this prediction was done in 2015 about $1 billion, and we have already achieved this $1 billion in 2018. And now how I really say this, I'm just going to tell you in the next slide. But I believe we need a lot. We need to applaud Pakistan e-commerce industry because we have done it 2 years ahead. So that's great going. Right now you cannot find a specific report which really tells you how we have achieved that number. But I'm just going to tell you there is some mathematics. As per SBP annual report, we have done online payment of $152 million. These transactions are reported by banking systems. बैंक्स में डेबिट कार्ड और क्रेडिट कार्ड की ट्रांजैक्शंस होती है फॉर ऑनलाइन कॉमर्स. तो बैंक्स हैव रिपोर्टेड दीज ट्रांजैक्शंस टू स्टेट बैंक सर्कुलेट दिस रिपोर्ट ऑन क्वार्टरली बेसिस. So starting from 2017 fiscal year to 2018, we have done in fourth quarter, we have done $152 million. So we assume for Pakistan e-commerce industry, when we talk with marketplaces or to some merchants, what we can assume if Pakistan e-commerce market is distributed between two pillars. One COD, which is cash on delivery, and another is prepayments or online payments. So this is the number of 52 million. These are online payments. If we just assume, PTA says Pakistan e-commerce industry is residing around 95% COD and 5% is prepayments or banking transactions. And another, which when we talk with the players like Careem, Uber or marketplaces, they say right now we are playing around 85%. So like for instance, if we assume that if Pakistan e-commerce is 90% is COD and 10% is 152 million. So if we just perform some mathematics, so we will just reach to the number 1400 million is amount for COD, and if we just add both 152 and 152, so we can just $1.5 billion is the e-commerce market industry for Pakistan. If we assume कि हमने 90% की COD करी है. Are you with me, please? Great. And what I believe this is a realistic number because so many initiatives has been taken. Easy Paisa payment gateway, Jazz Cash payment gateway, Quick Pay. So what I believe right number could be 85%, which means 15% transactions are done through mobile wallet or maybe from credit card or debit cards and phone pay, QR code, these sort of transactions. And 900 million is the amount for COD, and then we add both these numbers, so we could just reach to the 1 billion, 1 point something billion. So overall Pakistan industry has already achieved, alhamdulillah, $1 billion mark before 2 years ahead. Next please. So I just like to compare our e-commerce industry with the global comparison. This is the global, overall it is $2.8 trillion market now, $2.8 trillion, 24 trillion is the overall retail sales volume of the world. 11% we can say the world is doing through e-commerce. For China, which is the most growing economy at this point of time with respect to e-commerce, $1.2 trillion, 6.3, 18%, they've got the highest share of e-commerce worldwide now. USA, 8%. India, our neighbor country, initiatives like Paytm, Bharat QR, we can see they are around 1%. So still we are, assume we are around $1 billion, still we are very far away, and 0.4 is the, we can say is the total e-commerce volume with respect to retail sales. So I'm already short of time, so I'd like you to help me to predict what should be the next 3 years number for Pakistan e-commerce market. I'll just let you know what are the key factors on which we can make another prediction, and I hope that like football World Cup, हम सब भी इस prediction को गलत करें और Pakistan surpass that number whatever we predict here. Next please. So e-commerce value FY16 we did 783 million. Now we are doing 1 billion. E-commerce websites, which means Daraz, Uber, Kareem, any site, Junaid Jamshed, Khadi, all these sort of sites who are offering online commerce websites. These are 571 in 2016. Now almost double up. 1094 is the total market size for e-commerce. Internet users 45 million to 58. We have reached to the numbers. Social media 27 to 44, almost again double up. Retail sales to 10 billion. Household income is also increasing, and what we expect with the Naya Pakistan, inshallah, economy will be doing better. So now you have to tell me what should be the right number. And one important thing which is very important, in last 2-3 years what we have seen, Uber, Kareem, Food Panda, these players, ये वो ऐप्स हैं ऑलमोस्ट हम सब के मोबाइल में हैं. तो और इनका what I believe के peak is yet to come. People are getting used to of this. Customer behavior is actually, they are and other entrants. We have apps. We are domestic payment gateway, as we saw on a previous slide. There is a split of 85% COD, 15% only online transactions. So we have also established a domestic payment gateway. TPS had partnership with NIFT to again establish a domestic payment gateway. Link with QuickPay partnership. They are also doing One ePay. Alibaba, one of the biggest players in the world, they are coming to the Pakistan. I've seen few guys from Easy Paisa. Anyone from Alibaba at this point of time? No? You are. Okay. So welcome to Pakistan. I hope they can really prosper Pakistan industry. Next, so while we consider the previous slide and these players coming to the industry, what do we really predict? While we do generally predictions, there has to be 3 approaches in a majority of the cases. Realistic, what we believe is a realistic number. Pessimistic, you take some negative sort of prediction. And optimistic, you are really optimistic for the opportunity or for prediction. So let's go about all 3 predictions. 20% is the global e-commerce growth. 20% is the global e-commerce growth. What experts are predicting worldwide, there will be in next 3 years 20% growth. So I apply the same growth for Pakistan industry, and that's what I believe we will be able to achieve $1.7 billion. So this is one part of prediction through which I don't, at least I'm not convinced for this. I don't think this is not Pakistan e-commerce growth, inshallah, in few years. This we can say, historically we have done 50% growth. So this might be a number for next 3 years. For next 3 years, we might achieve $3.3 billion. And if we take the optimistic growth, Alibaba coming in, companies like apps, One ePay, new players are coming in. So again, are we really able to get that sort of growth, what we have done historically? So you have to pick, what do you say, pessimistic? Anyone with the pessimistic? Industry saturate हो रही है, इतनी बड़ी growth नहीं हो सकती, volume is bigger, so we are going to achieve pessimistic approach. Nobody? Realistic? Realistic with the guys with the realistic, 3.3 billion. And with this approach, like fintech, digital world, nobody can predict what can happen. So what do you say? This number is for next 3 years? Somewhere in between 3 and 6. So we can say $5 billion is the number for next 3 years for the industry, inshallah.